How to remove blackheads naturally. Blackheads are small black skin projections that usually appear on the face, especially on the nose and on the back. These black projections form a plug that obstructs the skin's sebaceous glands. They are caused by an excess of sebum, an oily substance, produced by the sebaceous gland, which gradually hardens when it comes into contact with dead skin and bacteria. When sebum is exposed to oxygen in the air, it oxidizes and turns black. When they are below the pore opening, they appear as white or yellow bumps that do not oxidize and are referred to as whiteheads. The following are the most common causes of blackheads. Stress, hormonal changes, inheritance, unclean skin, cosmetics, smoking, alcohol, caffeine. Follow these simple, natural ways to clean the pores and remove blackheads using easily available ingredients at home. Tomato wash. Natural antiseptic properties in this fruit help to dry out blackheads. Before going to bed, peel and mash a small tomato and apply it to the blackheads. After letting it sit overnight, wash your face with warm water in the morning. Lemon scrub in a cup, squeeze a few drops of lemon juice, add salt, and stir well. Apply the mixture to the blackheads after washing your face with warm water. After 20 minutes, wash your face with warm water again. Toothpaste rub. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste to the blackheads, leave for 25 minutes, and then wash again. Repeat this remedy for 2 weeks to be free from blackheads. Honey massage. Honey has antiseptic properties that support both oily and blackhead-prone skin. Apply honey to the affected area and wash it off after 15 minutes with warm water. Baking soda mask. Make a paste by mixing baking soda and water. To remove the oil and dirt that trigger blackheads, gently apply to the affected area, allow to dry for a few minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Oatmeal pack. A mixture of oatmeal and yogurt is beneficial to the skin and aids in the removal of blackheads. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and olive oil to it. Mix all these ingredients well till it forms a paste. Apply the mixture on the face, leave for 10 to 15 minutes and wash the face with cold water. Egg wash. If you want to get rid of blackheads at home, use raw eggs. Combine 1 or 2 egg whites with 1 tablespoon of honey in a mixing bowl. Apply this mixture to the blackheads and leave for 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Cinnamon pack. To make a thick paste, combine equal parts of cinnamon powder and lime juice. Apply the paste to the affected areas overnight, then rinse with warm water in the morning. Choose only one of the natural ways to remove blackheads presented in this video and it should be fine after few weeks. Encourage us and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications. Like our video and write any remark or suggestion in the comments section. We will be glad to hear you. Thank you.